My name is Atesh Kumar. I am a student of basic level at Paragon Academy Badin, and today my topic name is definition of literacy. Who is the educated person? Let us discuss the definition of literacy. The first definition of literacy we can read and write is an educated person. And the second definition is we can read, write, and do simple mathematical calculation is an educated person. And the third definition is we can read, write, and do simple mathematical calculation and operate a computer is an educated person. And the current definition is that we can read, write, and do simple mathematical calculation, can operate a computer, and make analyze, draw, consolation or result to and build his own opinion and sane recommendation about think is an educated person. Thanks.